Lily. What's today?
Donut breakfast.
Donut breakfast. And I love your pretty little dress.
Thank you.
Lily, what do you like to do in that dress?
Dan?
Okay, show me some of your dances. Can you twirl? Oh yeah, you look so pretty twirl. Cal, are you twirling too? Are you doing a little dance? Cal, how do you like to dance? What's that, Cal? What did Cal say? Is that what he said? Okay. Okay, Lily. We love you, right? Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, cool. Say goodbye, Cal. Cal, no hitting. No hitting, sister. Only hugs and kisses. No, only hugs and kisses. Give each other hugs. Cal, give hugs. Not nice.